Hi, and welcome to the Gentle Manual. In today's video, we're talking about unleashing your inner strength and harnessing your masculine energy for success. Understanding masculine energy. So, what exactly is masculine energy and why is it important? Masculine energy is the energy of strength, courage, and assertiveness. It's what drives us to pursue our goals and overcome obstacles in our lives. However, many men struggle to harness this energy, and may even feel like they're not living up to their full potential. But the good news is that anyone can learn to tap into their inner strength and unleash their masculine energy. So, how can you unleash your inner strength and harness your masculine energy for success? Here are a few tips. Embrace your passions. Figure out what you're passionate about and pursue it with all your heart. This will help you tap into your inner drive and unleash your masculine energy. Develop a growth mindset. Instead of fearing failure, embrace challenges and see them as opportunities for growth. This will help you develop the resilience and determination needed to succeed. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and mental health. This will help you maintain the energy and focus needed to pursue your goals and achieve success. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out the company of people who support and encourage you, and avoid those who bring you down. Embrace your masculinity. Don't be afraid to be yourself, and embrace your masculinity. By doing so, you'll unleash your inner strength and unleash your full potential. So, these are just a few tips to help you unleash your inner strength and harness your masculine energy for success. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination, and the key to achieving it is to tap into your inner strength and unleash your full potential. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Gentle Manual for more great content.